Now go. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, go. Look, Nene's even shaking her head like, poor mama, poor mama.
It's all uncomfortable.
Look, Mama's lifting 100 with her legs, but not with her hands, Titi. She was going to bring you an energy drink over there, see if that'd help you out. You're going to take Mama energy drink. See what? Go. No, go in the middle where the 2 black things are. There you go. Okay. Okay, now push up. Push up.
How much more up do you want me to put?
Like up in air.